we have lesson 11.1. It's talking about how to read the line plot. Teacher, may you give us a way of what the meaning of the line plot? I will tell you now. Imagine that we have like 5 days, like Sunday, Monday, here Tuesday, here Wednesday, here Thursday. And Sunday, your dad gave you like $5. Monday, your dad give you $7. Tuesday, your dad give you also $5. And Wednesday, your dad give you only $3. Or no problem, I will make it like, to be easier today, I will make it like 5 also, or like 7, I will make it 7. Your dad give you $7 here on Wednesday. But on Thursday, your dad give you $20. How to draw these data in the line plot? Line may mean we will draw a number line like this. Please copy with me and focus. See the screen, what I'm writing, write, and also focus here. I'll write only the money. This is the money. I'll write here money. What is the least number? The least number is 5, so we have to write 5. And still 6, 7. So I'll leave a big space and here right here something like 20, something 20 here. The 5, your dad give you $5. In how many days? May we check? Here $5 and here $5. So the 5, your dad give you $5 in 2 days. So put here 2 dots. Why I put here 2 dots? Because your dad give you $5 in 2 days. Your dad gave you also $7 in 2 days. So above the 7, put 2 dots. Why 2 dots? Because the 7 is repeated 2 times. See here 1 time and here 1 time. So we have to put 2 dots. But on Thursday, your dad give you $20. So the 20 is repeated 1 time. So I'll give it 1 dot, 1 time only. So this is how to graph the data into a line plot. Sunday and Tuesday, so 2 days are 5, so we put 2 dots. Also the 7 is repeated 2 times, so the 7 with 2 dots. But the 20 only 1 dot, like this. This is how to draw. But how to read here? See? If I don't have the data here, and today you will learn how to read the line plot. This is the line plot. The line plot means a number line that has data, we can read it here. If you see this number line, you will understand that your dad give you $5 in 2 days only. Your dad give you $7 in 2 days. But your dad gives you $20 in 1 day. This 20, we call it outlier. We call it what? Outlier. This 20, we call it outlier. I'll write it in yellow, outlier. Why the 20 is outlier? Because there's a big distance between the 7 and 20. See, the 5 is close to 7, so there's no problem if there's no here outlier. But the 20 is so far. So the number that is so far, we call it outlier. Out. I will write it in black to be clear. Outlier. I will check 1 like Yahya, because here Yahya,
Yes, mister.
How are you? Good?
Fine.
What do you think about why I said that 20 is outlier?
Because
Because
20
it's far from the numbers or close?
far.
Far. I will give you in our real life, Yahya, and you have to focus with me here. What do you think if somebody is always lie on you? Lie, he's a liar. You know the meaning of liar or not?
I know what in liar.
Yeah, when somebody in the class, he's a big liar. He always lie on the teacher, lie on his mom, on his classmate. The students will love him or hate him?
Hate him.
Hate him. That's why he will be afar from the classmates. So the number that is far to the number, that means the classmate, these are the classmates, they don't like him. They said to him, keep away, we don't want to talk to you. That's why he's so far. The students, when he want to come closer to you, you say to him, no, please, I don't want to talk to you because you are what? Huh? Because what? You are what? Huh?
Liar.
Liar.
Outlier.
That's why the number here at 20 is outlier. Outlier, as you are saying to somebody, please go out, I don't want to talk to you. So you are outlier. Outlier means the number that is so far to the other number. Do you understand, Yahya, or not?
Yes, I understand.
Thank you. Make your mic mute. Now we'll take another one like Sulaiman. Sulaiman?
Yes, mister.
Are you good?
Yes.
Do you think that the 5 is outlier or not?
No.
What is
It's
the outlier
impossible.
number?
The outlier number is 20 because 20 is the most is the far because 20
Because
is
it
so far
has the
from the
highest distance or the most distance between the number before and it, or it's so far from the other numbers. So when the student is so far from the classmates, that's why he's far or close now?
far.
What? Far. That's why we call him what?
Outlier.
Outlier. Do you see the screen or not?
Yes.
Thank you so much. I will take another one. Ilyas.
Yes, mister.
How are you? Good?
Yes.
I miss you all today. I miss all the class today. See? May just keep with me. Did you cover this, Ilyas, or not?
I did.
MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Good. Now we'll take the next page. Just keep listening to me, Ilyas, because I want to ask you some questions. Here. Did you close your mic or you are with me now?
I miss you.
Okay. Here, this is the definition of the line plot. The line plot show, I will select another color. The line plot shows the data along a number line. A number what? Line. As when I was drawing here, Ilyas, I was drawing a number line. I put the 5 2 times, if you remember. And the 7 was what, Ilyas? How many times was the 7, huh?
1.
1 or 2 days?
It was
It
2.
was 2 days because your dad give you $5 2 days. Your dad give you $7 2 days. What is the far? What is the number that is far? Here was, huh?
20.
20. Yes.
20.
The 20 we call it what, Ilyas?
Outlier.
Outlier. See here, Ilyas, the outlier number. It's any number in the data set. Data set mean the numbers, yani. So it's any number that is very different from the rest of the numbers. Very different mean has the big space or the most what or the big space. Do you understand or not?
I understand, mister.
See, this is the question now. The table below, this table is the question. The table below shows the distance Ali walked his dog each day from 7 days. So how many days here, Ilyas? 1, huh? 2, huh?
2,
3, huh? 4,
4,
5, huh? 6,
6,
what?
7.
7. And Sunday, And Sunday, he walk his dog how many miles?
1.
1. In Monday, he walk his dog how many miles?
1 over 2.
1 over 2 mean half mile. So it's less than Sunday. Do you understand or not?
I understand.
Okay. And Tuesday, he walk his dog how many miles?
1.5 miles.
1.5 mile. And Wednesday, he walk his dog how many miles? Huh?
1 mile.
1 mile. And Thursday, 1.5 mile. Stop sharing your camera, please. Huh? And Friday, huh? How many miles?
Friday
3
3
miles.
miles.
Huh? How many miles in Saturday?
1 mile.
Okay. When you want to draw it, Elias, when you want to draw it, just put a circle on the numbers, and we'll see how he draw it down. See? I'll make our class here. Just I will move it here. Elias, the least number here is half or not? This is half, yes?
Yes.
Half is the least. So I will start from 0, 0. Add half, it will be half. Half plus half is 1. Add half, it will be 1.5. Add half, it will be 2. Then 2.5 and 3. These are the numbers. Do you know or not? The 0 is repeated here or not, Elias?
No.
No, I will take another one. Like Mazen Amr. Mazen Amr, how are you? Thank you, Elias. Huh?
Okay.
Mazen Amr?
Yeah.
Mazen?
Yeah.
The half
Yes,
repeated
yes.
how many times here, Mazen?
2.
2 times. Where is the half? This is 1.5. No, we don't need 1.5. I'm talking about the half only. How many halves are here?
2. 1.
1 half. So put 1 dot only. Above the half, put 1 dot. What about the 1? The 1 is repeated how many times? Do you check? Check, please. Huh?
3.
3. Yes. 1, 2, 3. That's why he put above the 1 3 dots. Do you understand or not?
Yes.
What about 1.5? Repeated how many times? Check.
2.
2. That's why above 1.5 he put 2 dots only. What number is still here, Mazen Amr?
3.
How many times is the 3?
1.
So above the 3, just put 1 dot. You understand or not?
Yes.
Okay. Here, what do you think? What is the number that is outlier? What do you think? Here. Say.
2. 2. 2 over 1. 2.
Which number here is outlier? Outlier means so far. I will erase this because you may confused about this. What is the number that is so far from these numbers? These are the classmates. These are the students in the class. What number that has dot and it's so far from the numbers? Which of these is so far? Huh?
2. 2.5.
2.5 has no
1.
dots, Mazen. Has no dots. So what's
Yeah.
still? I will ask another one and you have to focus. This is Muhammad Waleed, he came late. I will check Malik. Malik? 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 Hello? Your mic is on or not? I'll check another one. Faris? Faris?
Yes.
What number is outlier here?
3.
3. Good job, mashallah, tabarakallah. Why the 3 is outlier, Faris? Why?
The 3 is our light because
Why this is outlier? All of the class right here, outlier. Why the 3 is outlier? Why? I will check another one. Yasin? Yasin?
Mister, yes.
Yasin?
Yes.
Why the 3 is outlier?
Because
Hmm? Because what?
this number.
Because it has the longest space. The longest what? Space. Thank you. Osama? Thank you make your mic mute. This mean Osama?
What, Mister? Yes.
How are you? Good?
Yeah.
Check with me here the answers, Osama. He said here, which number has the longest space? Which number?
I don't know.
Hmm?
The one.
Longest space mean a big space. See, this is the space. It's
Oh,
what? Huh?
3.
3. That's why the longest space distance or the longest distance is 3. That's why the 3 we call it what? Do you understand or not?
Yeah.
3 is
They
called what?
call it outlier.
Outlier. Thank you. A smart question now. Thank you. Omar Abdul Salam.
Yes.
Omar Abdul Salam.
Yes.
Here, this is the same graph up. What do you imagine? What is the outlier here? Omar Abdul Salam.
Yes.
What number that is so far to the number? See, this no need and this no need. Huh?
3.
Why? Because this is the classmate. They love each other. They always sit with each other. What is the number that is liar or outlier? What is the number outlier now? Huh?
3.
3, yes? Read the question with me. This is a smart question. He said, put 4 dots on the line plot below. So 3 is not outlier. How I put numbers here on the number line to make the 3 not outlier? Do I put here the numbers, Omar Abdul Salam? If I put here 4 dots, huh? Now the 3 become outlier or not? Still outlier or not?
Still outlier.
Still outlier. So where I put the numbers? What do you imagine? Where I put the dots, we need to put 4 dots. We need to draw 4 dots to make the 3 not liar or not outlier, huh? Where I put the what? The dots. Do I put it here? Here, all of the numbers are here 4 or not? Where I put the points? Where is the space? Here the space. So we need to reduce the space. So I will put here the dots. Do you understand or not?
I understand.
Now I put here the dots. Why? To make no space, to make the space to be reduced. See here that the space is reduced. So now the 3 is not liar, is not outlier. But if you raise the points, oh, now the 3 is so far. So this is outlier. How to make it not outlier? I will fill in the space. Do you know fill in the space mean what, Omar Abdul Salam? Fill in the space mean put here the 4 dots. Now you understood?
Yeah.
So what about if a student put the dots here? Still the space or not?
Yeah, still the space.
But he said how to make the 3 not outlier. How to make the 3 not outlier? Where? Where do I put the point?
In the 2
2 and 2.5.
and
No
half.
problem if you hit two dots and 2 dots. Why I put here 2 dots? To make the 3 not outlier. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Thank you. Now I'll select another one. Like Mustafa Usama. Mustafa Usama, yes. Mustafa,
Yes.
how are you?
Yes.
Good?
Fine, thank you.
Now
Yes.
open this page with me, all the class. This page is page what? 590 what?
593.
Okay, think with me because still we have only 5 minutes till the class finish. Here, the toes of the giraffes in feet. This is 14. How many giraffes are 14? How many giraffes? This is the giraffes. Huh. See? 2 giraffes with 14 feet long. 3 giraffes with 15 feet long. How many giraffes with 16? I'm asking you, huh? Mustafa.
3.
See, no, I'm talking about this 16. How many giraffes on the 16?
2.
2 only. Read now. You can read number 3. Read.
How many giraffes are 14 feet?
How many
Oh.
giraffes over the 14? How many dots?
2.
So right, 2. 2 giraffes are 14. Okay. Now the question for Amr.
Yes, mister?
How are you? Good?
Yeah.
Now question number 4. What is the most common height? These are the heights. What is the most common height? What is the height that has more dots?
15.
How many? 15, 14 inch or 15 inch or 16 what? Tell me.
15.
Huh? Huh?
15.
15. Good job. So all of you write 15 feet. FT. Thank you. Now the question for so I'll ask like Ahmed Foda. Ahmed?
Yes.
Ahmed? How tall is the tallest giraffe? Which is the most here? Which is the highest tall here? Is it 14, 15, 16, 18? What is the biggest number, Ahmed? Huh? 14, 15, 16, 18. What is the biggest number? Huh? I think your mic is not working. I will ask another one. Muhammad Attas.
Yes, yes.
How are you? Good?
Yeah, good, yes.
What is the highest tall here? Is it 14? What is the biggest number here? 14, 15, 16, 18. Which is the biggest number?
18.
Yeah, that's why 18. He said, how tall is the tallest giraffe? Huh? Okay, 18.
18.
Now the question 4, because you have only 1 minute. This is the highest. Yasin? Yasin? Yasin?
What?
Very good.
Yeah.
Where is Yasin? I think he's up. Yes. Yasin. Read the last question. Is, huh?
Is 10 feet an outer
Is outlier. Is 18 is outlier.
feet an outlier? Explain.
Is 18 feet is outlier or not? There's a big distance here or a small distance?
More distance.
Small distance.